Hi, this is Jamel with Recherche Goldens in beautiful Statesville, North Carolina. I am so excited to introduce a stunning golden we have for sale. This is Mr. Green of Melbourne and Ethan's litter. This litter was born December 4th, so he has graduated Puppy Academy and he's enrolled in our most popular training program we call Canine College. It's training till 16 weeks of age, so he's had over 250 hours of training and we know his personality very well. His Recherche score is 847, 8 being that he is very dependent. He's one of the first to come, the last to leave our side. He adores to be with anybody and everybody. He's very friendly, very social. He adores to cuddle with me. As you can see, he's pressing his body in me, and he does this to anybody and everybody. He is not gonna be a dog that's gonna have a hard time bonding with his new family because he just loves humans. On the activity scale, he's very balanced. He is not super laid back and calm, but he's also not super outgoing. We scored him a 4 out of 10, which means he's slightly calm, which is very good. He's mature, he acts much older than his age. He's not a lump on a log, he does play, he does have energy, but he's just not nearly as outgoing as many other Goldens. And then he's confident. If there is a weakness of English Goldens, is that they can be shy and timid. He is actually confident. He's doing very well in his trainings. We'll show you in a little bit. Size-wise, we don't think he's going to be a big boy. His mom isn't that big. She's only 52 pounds. His dad isn't that big. He's only 70 pounds. And so our best guess is that he's going to be 65 to 70 pounds. So he's a small boy. If you're wanting a boy which has that big blocky head, that thick mane, but you don't want a big 80-pound, 85-pounder, that's what he's going to be. He's going to be the size of a large female, about 65, 70 pounds, and he's going to be absolutely stunning. Now, he's able to go home after graduating either Canine College, which is training till 16 weeks of age, which is March 26th. The second train level is Master's Program. That's training till 20 weeks of age, which is April 23rd. And the third train level is Doggy Doctor. It's training till 6 months of age, which is June 4th. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see pictures of both parents, Melbourne and Ethan. If you click on those pictures, a video will play where we summarize each of the parents. We talk about their health clearances, their pedigrees, their personalities. You'll notice that both parents scored in the top 4% of Golden Retrievers with their hip, elbow, eyes, and heart clearances. In fact, Ethan is my best stud dog. If I had to pick one stud dog of all of them, I would choose Ethan. I love his looks the best. I just love his pedigree. His dad, he was produced by us. His dad is Amos, and he produces incredible puppies. What I'd like to do now is to summarize our Puppy Training Institute. And we're gonna go ahead and show off Mr. Green in training as of today. Now, we say this all the time when puppies are younger, but puppies that graduate Canine College is up to 3 times better obedience trained. So if you like the way he looks right now, you're gonna love the way he looks in just 4 weeks. So we're gonna summarize the program, and then I will come back and let you know what you need to do to reserve Mr. Green. Our Puppy Training Institute has 4 core areas. There's a couple areas that are very visible that we're gonna show you on camera with the puppy that's for sale. Some of the areas are a little bit more difficult, but the one area that's very visible to show is outside training, and the big part of that is leash training. Puppies love the pull, love the tug, love to cut in front of you, and so we train them to walk on our left side. We train them that when we stop walking, they do what's called an auto sit. That's where they automatically sit without being told, without having any hand signals. They automatically sit. That it builds respect and focus on you. A couple other areas in outside training, it's a little bit harder to show, is car training, and then also swim training when the weather's warmer. The second area that's very visible is obedience training. All of our trainers are certified dog trainers that's been training dogs for years. They know what they're doing. They're all certified. They all can do Canine Good Citizen. They're all very good trainers, and we work on the obedience commands of sit, down, stay, come, place, kennel, and they are trained extensively in all these areas. Now, we have 3 different communication tools we use with the puppies. We use hand signals, we use words, and then we use the training lead that we will provide you. And so as they get older, they get better and better. They can hold their stay longer, they can hold their place longer, they can hold their kennel longer. They can do it with both hand signals and words only, and so they get better and better. The place is when they jump up on the Kuranda cot. You will definitely want to buy a Kuranda cot because that allows the transition for our training to go to you. It's a wonderful command. When we say kennel, they go into their kennel on their own volition. We typically keep the door open, especially as they get older. And we train them. They cannot leave the kennel or really any other door until they are released. The two other areas that's a little bit more difficult that we're going to show you just generic dogs going through this. The one area is house training. We actually spend more time in house training than all the other areas combined. That's about 2/3 of the training. And this is where we work on the most important area of potty training. Of course, we're training them not to use the restroom inside and the signal eventually to go outside. A puppy at 12 weeks of age can typically hold the restroom about 1 hour during the day, whereas a puppy at 6 months can do 4 hours. The same thing is with crate training. We train them to sleep at night in their crate, eat in their crate. And a 12-week-old can typically sleep around 4 to 5 hours without having to be let out. And a 6-month-old, it's 6 to 10 hours. So obviously the longer they're in training, the longer they can be crate trained. We also, though, while they're in house training, we train them not to jump up on us, not to chew things in the house, not to bite our hands. It's very extensive. And then the last area is socialization training. Many people worry about getting a trained or older puppy is that they won't bond. Well, because of our socialization program, our puppies bond very quickly. In fact, we've never had a client complain about that. And so in our socialization, we're training them not to be afraid of thunderstorms. We're training them not to be afraid of the hair dryer, of the blow dryer, of a vacuum cleaner. We have a TV in our puppy training area, in our house training area, where we're socializing them. They go on field trips when they get older. We work extensively on them being handled. We have 20+ people that work for us, so these puppies are handled by multiple people and they're socialized extensively. That is our Puppy Training Institute. Now, if you're interested in Mr. Green, read through this entire page. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see pictures we just took of him. Right above his most recent pictures are the prices for each training level. Now, some people have a hard time finding those prices. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you where prices are found on a typical page. But the prices you see in this video are not necessarily his prices. To find his prices, you do need to scroll down on his page, look above his pictures, and you'll see the prices for each training level. And then if you're wanting to reserve him, right below this video is a link that says click here to fill out puppy application. Click on the words puppy application, fill it out. We will respond within 24 hours. Thank you so much for taking time to visit Mr. Green of Melbourne and Ethan's Litter. Thank you so much, and God bless.